India to build 11 new supercomputers with indigenous processors. The center has approved the building and installation of 11 new supercomputers in research institutes across India under the next phase of the National Supercomputing Mission (NSM). The NSM is being implemented through Pune's Center for Development of Advanced Computing (C-DAC) and Bengaluru's Indian Institute of Science (IISc). The 11 supercomputers will have processors designed by C-DAC hacker Spdrman, who took down Liberia's internet to leave jail in 2020. UK-born 31-year-old hacker Daniel Kaye, also known as Spdrman, will be released from prison in early 2020 after being sent to jail by a London court on January 11, 2019. Kaye admitted to attacking an African phone company that inadvertently crashed Liberia's internet in 2016. After release, he'll face court-mandated restrictions limiting his access to phones, computers, and encryption software. U.S. accuses ToTalk app of spying for UAE. Apple, Google remove U.S. intelligence officials. Speaking to the New York Times on Sunday, accused social messaging app ToTalk of being a spying tool used by the United Arab Emirates. Google removed the app saying that it violated unnamed policies, while Apple removed it saying that it was still researching it. Uninstall it yesterday, a former National Security Agency security researcher warned users. FBI program helps companies fool hackers with decoy data. Report companies are reportedly planting decoy data or bogus data to confuse fraudsters and corporate spies looking to steal valuable information under an FBI program. Illicit data loss exploitation. Under the program, bogus data is mixed within existing data structures to make it appear authentic. A hacker would merely download the decoys that would warn IT staff about a breach.